If you are a freelancer and you are offering every creative service you can think of and you're not making money, then I have some news for you. Offering everything is not a good offer. If you offer everything from branding to web design to classic graphic design to web development, motion design, and a full range of creative services, and you are not attracting high quality leads, I'm here to tell you that that is probably the reason why. Ironically, the very reason you think you should be attracting good leads could be the reason why they are not interested. If you are not attracting clients, the issue often isn't the variety, but the lack of focus. Yes, there are agencies that offer 360 services and they're able to make this work. However, if you're watching this video, you are probably not an agency, you are probably a one-person studio or two-person studio or freelancer. And if that's the case, it is impossible to offer that many services to a high quality. Agencies have a whole infrastructure of different departments that are dedicated to offering expertise and offering high quality work in those different areas. But you as a single person cannot do it. It's just impossible. And if you are a single person who is able to offer a variety of services and you have loads of clients coming to you and they are super happy with your work, then you probably are able to do many things to a really high quality, and that means you are special because that is not the rule. And if that is the case, I hope you are charging really high prices for that because that is super valuable. The thing is that most people are not able to do that many things to a high quality. And the simple solution to this problem is to niche down. You might be thinking right now, but if I don't offer these things, I'm closing these doors to clients that need those things and I'm going to be making less money because I'm going to have less clients. Yes, you might be closing doors to some clients because you won't be offering those things anymore, but you will be opening very, very valuable doors. Most people seeking creative services are looking for experts and specialists in their field. This means they're going to be looking for someone specific for things like branding, another person for things like web design, and a whole other person for web development. They will not expect one person to do all those things because they are using logic and they know that one person probably can't do all those things to the quality that they need them to. By narrowing your focus, you will attract clients like this. Clients that value expertise, clients that value your knowledge. This has an effect on multiple things. Not only will they respect you more, but they will also pay you more because they see you as a valuable asset to their project. You will also stand out in a market that is saturated with people who are offering it all. These so-called generalists might think they can do everything, but there's a reason why their prices are usually low. And it is because if you come in and you are specialized in one field or in a few fields that they also offer, you can probably do it to a better quality than them. And that's why your prices can also be higher. Not only will your prices be higher and you will attract clients who are willing to pay that, but you will also stand out because you can do these things better than them, and the clients are more likely to go to you than to somebody who does it all. Okay, so you agree, hopefully by now, that niching down is the way to go. But how do you do it? So here are 3 ways to niche down. 1, look at all your services that you offer right now and decide which ones you can do really well and also the ones you really enjoy doing. You are self-employed, you have the full control of your business. Don't offer things you don't actually enjoy doing. Number 2, think about who your ideal client is. So think about your work from the client's perspective. What do they prioritize? What do they value? And make sure your services are tailored to that. Understand the needs of your client and then offer services and a standard of service that meets those needs. Number 3, remove everything in your portfolio and in your communication that doesn't fit your niche. So once you've niched down, make sure you are communicating that to the outside world, because this way you will attract the clients that are looking for that specific type of service that you offer. Being an expert in something is super valuable, and if you want to learn more about value, you can check out our full course, Creative Business Essentials, to learn more on that.